What are you doing, buddy?
Opening this.
Opening your stickers too?
I want that stickers.
I bet he'll share them with you. Oh, see, you don't cut it like that, sweetie.
Why?
Let me try.
How do you open this one?
See, it has a Ziploc on it so that you can put them back in there when you're done with them. Can you hold the camera, Parker, real quick? Oh, I'm recording, so hold that in.
Cheese.
It's a recording. There you go. The movie we're making. Let's put the scissors down, please. We're done with them.
We're making a mess here.
What?
We're making a mess.
Yeah, you're good at making a mess, aren't you?
Yeah.
You gonna clean it up
Tomorrow.
tomorrow?
Tomorrow. Let me see.